Nandito ako ngayon sa likod ng ang garden namin. Ito yung likod ng bahay ng ayan. Ganda dito. Puro halaman. Ayan, may avocado. Also, maraming bougainvillea. Ayan guys. May sampalo. Banana. Swimming pool. Ayan guys. A lot of trees like junk fruit, bougainvillea, a lot of banana garden. Very nice garden. And what is this? What is this? This one? Mulberry. Yes, mulberry. Wow. Oh. Look at guys. Oh. And this one, lemon. Lemon. Gumamela. Okra. And I don't know what is this. And look at guys. Moringa. Malunggay. And also guys, look at kamias, papaya. Wow, banda, flower. Oh, look at guys, a lot of beautiful flowers here in the garden. Oh, but guys, see, white flower, and this one yellow, white flower, and this one violet. Maybe this is violet, and this is a tamarind, sampalok, and this one green curry. If you want cooking green curry, you put the and this one is junk fruit. Look at nice. See, bougainvillea, banana. Here in the backyard is a lot of fruits. Swimming pool. And guys, thank you for watching.